What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base box for the month of February 2022. So if you want to know what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, guys, so let's jump right into it because I've been waiting for this little box. I was supposed to get it on Monday and it arrived on Tuesday. So hopefully I can upload this video pretty quick, but this is what my box looks like. It is nice, small and thick. Usually it's like a lot thinner. So they did put it in my drop box instead of my mailbox. So hopefully there's something good inside here. I do remember that I did do a choice item, but I just don't remember what I chose. Hopefully it's a good item. I can't remember. It was last month and I can't remember what I chose. But anyways, this is the base box for February. Let's see what we got. So of course it has the same theme card as the premium. My premium video is already up, so I'll make sure to link it towards the end. So if you guys want to go watch that, go check it out. So it's the same theme. It's the Valentine's theme. What is this? Cardboard. Trash. Okay. All right. So this is what the box looks like. And I see a palette right on top. Was this a choice item or not? I can't remember if I chose this or not. But anyways, this is a glow palette. It's very pretty. It's the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials highlighter palette. I think I chose this. Let me know. Comment down below if you guys chose this item. I can't remember if it was a choice item or not. I think it was. I can't remember. Anyways, but let's see what the palette looks like. Curious to know. And it's like a really nice cardboard palette. You can fold it back. And it has a little protector in the back. So it has a mirror. And this is what the palette looks like. Oh my god, these shades are very nice, guys. So it has a variety of shades, so I think it would complement a lot of complexions. This is very, very pretty. I see this one's like an icy color. So if they are too glowy for my skin, because I do have a lot of texture in my skin because I had really bad acne when I was younger. I don't really use highlighters anymore, but I will use them as an eyeshadow or for like the inner corner or whatever. So yeah, you can use this palette however you want. And I think this is a very beautiful palette. It does remind me of the Anastasia collaboration with Nicole Guerriero. I used to have that palette and I just recently cleaned out my vanity and I decluttered it, but that one was a really, really good palette. It kind of reminds me of that. So this is really, really nice. I am excited to use this. Okay, so first item is a makeup item and I'm loving that. That is awesome. Also, guys, let me tell you the variation box that I got. So my variation is the letter C 220-2015-BA. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. You throw all this little trash down. I see like a little, hopefully this isn't skincare. Let's see what this is. I look forward to my makeup items. I'm not a huge fanatic of skincare, but it looks like this might be a skincare item. Oh, I think it is. Okay, so this is a detox mask and it's a TMI. Tammy, is that the brand? I'm not sure, but it's a detox mask and it's a green tea blend. So it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a baby food, like the pea baby food, you know, the green one, the mushy one. I don't know. This reminds me of like Gerber food. I don't know if I'll be trying this or not. It does look interesting and I really like matcha. So I don't know. I might give this a try, and it says it's like a clay mask. I might try it. I might give it a try. Not one of my favorite items because it's skincare. But anyways, this is what the box looks like. I do have 3 little boxes in here. Let's see what this one is. Oh my god, this is by NARS. This is by NARS. It's a very good brand. And this is in Dragon Girl. I don't know what this is though. Okay, so it's a velvet matte lip pencil. Let's hope it's a nice color because it doesn't have anything on the box. The box is just black and white. And I'm excited. Hopefully it's like something nice that I would wear, not like some weird random color. Oh, maybe it's like Valentine's themed and it's like a red color. It's like a red crayon. I don't know. I might be able to pull this off. I would probably wear it. It's like a chubby stick. I don't know. Anyways, it is a very nice shade. So I am excited that we got NARS in our base box. I haven't seen it in a while. I think we had got a blush a few months back. I'm not sure if it was my base box or my premium box, but we got NARS in the base box and I think that is great. All right, and then we also do have another little box right here. This is what it looks like. So it's by Yensa and it's a color plus face tone up primer. It has essential glow and it has 8 super blacks and essence. What is this? Okay, so it has like a lot of like benefits, like skin ingredients, the superfood cosmetic. It has black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea. I don't know. So it just has like a bunch of little things, I guess, that are beneficial. Well, let's see what this thing is about. The box is very pretty. I like this little pink nude blushy color. It's very pretty. So this is what it looks like, and in the back it says it moisturizes and it preps your skin for your makeup. It's gonna blur imperfections and pores. It provides a brighter skin tone and it's powered by 8 super black essence. I don't know, but it sounds really good. I'm excited to use this. I believe last month I got the what is that brand called, like LYS serum primer type of situation. I used it and I like it. So that's cool. We got another primer this month, but this is now on the base box. So that's cool. I will definitely be putting this to use because prepping your skin before makeup is super important. So I like this item. I'm down for that. All right, guys. And we're almost done. We only do have one more little box to go through. This is the last box, and this is by Goop, something like that. I'm not sure what the name is. But this one looks like it's a makeup brush and it's 4 essential brushes in one. So it has a powder / contour brush. It has a blending sponge. It has a medium shadow brush, and it also has a angled brow liner brush in here as well. I remember that we had got like a makeup pen from the same brand. Unfortunately, that did not work for me. So I don't know what I did to that. I probably decluttered it or gave it away. I don't remember. But this is from the same brand. So it's like a multi-use brush. It's very pretty. It's like a baby blue color. It's very pretty. And oh my God, the bristles feel so good. So maybe I will be using this as a blush brush, like the angled side. Yeah, I really like this brush. The angled one feels really good. The bristles are nice and soft. Then it has, what the fuck is this? This looks like something else to me. This looks like a dildo. Oh my God, just saying. But it's like a sponge that you can use. Okay. And then you just twist the sides off, and then here's the little angled brush. And here's the other brush that you can use like for your eyeshadow or, I don't know, something like that. So that's pretty cool. I am mostly excited about the angled brush because the bristles feel really good. So I will definitely be putting this little brush to use for sure because I love the bristles on this. Feel so good to the face, to the skin. Oh yes. I feel like this box was overall pretty good. Not that bad, other than like, I'm not really sure about this Detox Mask, but I'm going to give it a try because I like matcha, so it might be really good. So I'm going to give it a try, guys. So overall, let me tell you how much each item retails for. So the highlighting palette, this one right here, the Glow palette, this one retails for $40. And then the Detox Mask retails for $29.99. This one's kind of fancy. Skincare is obviously, of course, kind of fancy. And then we have the Yensa primer, which is this one right here. This one retails for $35. And then we have the Alley-oop brush. This one does retail for what? $28. I am in love with this brush. Yeah, this brush is really good. It feels so good. I'm excited about this brush. Well, just this side. And then lastly but not least, we got the NARS little chubby matte lip pencil. And this one retails for $27. So let me add it all up and I'll tell you how much my value was for my box. Okay guys, so the total value of this month's base box was of $159.99, and I think that this box was totally worth it. I do like all of the products besides the face mask. But other than that, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did like this video, let me know in a comment down below. Make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.